we all have tons of buttons, I'm sure, lying around. And so for this little ornament, we're going to use some of them. To make this. Okay, so we're going to, for this exercise, what we're going to do is use styrofoam balls, which come in different sizes. The ones that I like to use between 2 and 3 inch balls for most of the ornaments that I work with using styrofoam. And actually, in this size, this is like a 2.5 inch ball. It's amazing how many buttons fit on this. So for the purposes of this little tutorial, we're just going to work with a smaller ball, which also will be cute as an ornament. Okay. So what I like to do is start with the hanger, because it will be covered by the buttons. And especially if you're working with a large ball, what I recommend is that you start by putting a little dab of glue in the spot where you will be hanging the ribbon, or you can also use embroidery floss if you want. I work with like an 8 inch piece of ribbon, and I'm going to put this right there where the glue is, but then I'm going to just use a straight pin to hold that in. And why the glue? Because what I found is, especially if you're using with a bigger ball, this could come loose with the weight of all those buttons added to it. So by just gluing this in place, that's like an added step, and using just a small straight pin. Okay? So for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to work with just some white buttons. I like doing the multicolored, but sometimes using just one color of buttons is also very nice. So here, and in a ball like this one, you probably want to start with smaller buttons. But part of the charm is working with different sizes. Okay, so I'm going to use just white pins, and then just push one through one of the holes and just start going around. And placing a button held by a pin. Until you cover the whole sphere. So I finished covering my little ball with these white buttons, and then what I decided to do then is every now and then put a little red pen in just to add a little bit of color. And that's just as easy as this ornament gets. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you for watching.